stay tuned. We're still at Granddaddy's Antique Mall in North Carolina. I'm just now finishing my first aisle, which is insane. Love this. Or second aisle, excuse me. Yeah, I've only been down 2 aisles. I saw these chalkwork cows back here. That's what oh my gosh. Dude, what? 32 for the pair? That's a pretty good deal. I think I'm gonna leave them today though. I got a lot of chalkwork right now. I don't know. I just wish they were a little bit less. I need a little bit more room. What is that? Boudoir doll. Oh my gosh, it's a lamp. How fantastic. See, I like this kind of stuff. I have a bunch of it in my house. More bangles. How much are these guys? Oh, that's a clamper. Oh man, epic. I'll take that. $8. And this one, 15. It's really pretty. I don't know if I can swing 15 on it though. That's wood. Hold on, I feel like I'm missing something. There's Bakelite, $20. Aloe, $12. I'll take that. And then there's a weird flower brooch. It's got a little too much wear for me though. Oh, this is cute. It's on like a fabric, not metal enamel. And over here, really nice vase. I'm sure it's expensive. $2.75, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that face pottery. That's insane. Folk art, Texas folk art. Man on guitar. Big. Well, not big. Bittersweet, 2 feet, 20-inch, and the price is high, but there's also 30% off, but not for me at that price. Spruce got really cool stuff. A little frog moment here. I like the rock frog. Crazy epic lamp. I love the kind of Hollywood Regency style ones with the gemstones. Little tiny deer. $3. They're kind of angry looking. They're cute though. I'm gonna take them. And then these little plastic guys, $2 each. What? That's a deal. I'll take those. Those are popular. Look at this little Dutch boy. Ooh, the Royal Sealy. Unfortunately, it's cracked. Oh my gosh, I love the tutu. Tulle skirt, $29. Oh, I feel like I kind of want that. Would I wear it? I used to wear these like every day. I'm not even kidding, when I was younger. It's a good one. It's kind of perfect. Let's see. Oh, I kind of love it. Oh, I'm going to be like, why did I buy this? But then if I don't get it, I'm going to be like, why didn't I buy it? I'm going to walk around with it. What's this green thing? It's like a costume. Like a straight costume. I texted Jeff asking if he'd still go out with me if I wore that skirt. If he says yes, but reluctantly, then I know I probably wouldn't wear it. Not because he said so, but just because he knows me. I'm gonna be like, I'm always like, oh, I don't want anyone to notice me. I'm like, it's so funny. What are these? 65. Yo, what is this? Hand-blown sign paperweight. Eckhart. Oh my gosh. Dude. That's... Eckholt, duh, right? Yeah, Eckholt. That's amazing. 85 though. Can't get over this. It's an Eckholt. It's amazing. I could probably make money on it, but honestly, I don't want to have that much invested in it. since I'm not like personally in love with it, it's not really my personal taste. Oh, it's so good though. Oh my gosh, the perfumes. It's this one that really speaks to me. What did I rise? $59. That's gorgeous. And the, wait, that one's $11? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, I want to get in there, but I don't feel like dealing with cases right now. I'm going to finish the cases and see if there's anything else. Wait, there's no way that one's got to be broken because they're, I don't know. A lot of really great Christmas and holiday in this booth, kind of mixed in with some more contemporary stuff. Unfortunately, a lot of it's like right where it needs to be. Still fun to look though. What's going on back here? It's a weird looking parrot. Interesting. This is interesting too. Although I don't know if that's what I want it to be. Cat Nodder salt and pepper shakers. I love these. It's probably expensive. The cats are harder to find. $19. Actually, that's not a bad price. Some more Holt Howard and what appears to be Italian pottery. Saw them down here too. $120, $135. The Cozy Kitties are spendy at $75. And let's see some more. That's not what I thought it was at all. Oh my gosh, look at this watering can. How spectacular is that? Oh, I love her. $28. Yeah, I can't do anything with that, unfortunately. As I live and breathe. Look at this weirdo. $25. Dang. He's so weird. I love it. I don't think I can do 25 on resale though. 20 I'd do, but 25 is getting a little risky of just basically breaking even after fees. This one's a cute one. Little planter. 22 though. What are these unusual lamps? Hand-blown glass made in Kansas City by Derek Van Keppel. Only 3 of these globes were made. I bought all 3. Wow, those are amazing. Really interesting artistry. Wow, look at this one. This guy's got great taste. Oh my gosh. That is the largest Moody Mary I have ever seen. $50 though. I've never seen a giant cloth doll Moody Mary. I usually just see them in the banks. That is so cool. If it was for me, I would buy that for $50 without even thinking. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at these mugs. How fabulous. $35 each. It's definitely retail. Oh my gosh, and Laurel Birch. This place has such fun stuff. Insert picture of clowns and giant paper mache dragon thing. What is this bag? Kate Landry. Oh, I guess it's contemporary. Right? It's really... Yeah. It's cool, though. I like the style. What in the world is this? That is a very strange squirrel. Ah, look at you. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's got an eyelash broken off though, unfortunately. Well, I was originally looking through the jewelry and then I saw this ashtray. That's fantastic. It's kind of got that Italian vibe to it. 22, made in Japan. The dancers are phenomenal. And over here, oh, that's a good one. Unfortunately, it's super broken. Spaghetti poodle lamp? I never see those. I usually just see the Italian poodle lamps. Love this planter. A little chalkware. Some more glass. What's this one? Wow, that's really pretty. 35. Yeah, that's really pretty. Dude, this lamp. Art glass table lamp. That's pretty epic, I'm not gonna lie. What's this in here? That's cool. Not exactly what I kind of wanted it to be, but love the glaze on that. Whoa, a whole booth of glowy? We have to check this out. It's pretty dark in here, I'm not gonna lie. It's also pretty rad. This is like straight dedication. Again, the prices are kind of right where they need to be, but I'm not mad about it. I think I like that decanter back there. That's so funny. Yeah, really cool. Takes a lot of dedication to have a whole booth of just glowy glass. Super into that lamp. Ah, 35. Dang, spot on. I don't know. It's starting to wind down over here. Just like 2 more aisles to go. What is that? Is this plastic? No, that's glass. Wow, that's really cool. I see something interesting. The question is, how do I get to it? I really hope that's what I think it is. It might not be. It might be Chinese, but I gotta check it out anyway. It feels heavy. It's probably Chinese. Yeah, it's really cool though. It's really cool. I kind of love it. Even though it's probably an import. A little pocket of Fenton. Let's just see out of curiosity. 64. Well, that's a gorgeous piece of Victorian glass. Antique Moser. Wow, that's really pretty. Well, I'm pretty proud of my spending there. I spent $75 and I'm getting on the road and I'm gonna go to a place where I've never been before. I'll see you guys when I get there.